Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is your English literature session. Today is 14 December 2020 and the day is Monday. Okay, we continue the story The Kidnappers. We already read page number 1 till 22. Today we start from page number 22, or sorry, 21. Customer drove the van as fast as he could. The car went even faster. It drove up a mountain road. Faster, faster, called Bunbury. Don't lose them, called Teddy. See, they are chasing that car. Okay. The car drove through some big gates and stopped in front of a house. The famous bear were pushed inside. It looked dangerous, said Kipper, but we must rescue them. I have a plan. They saw when they are chasing that car. They saw that the car get in the get in the big case and stop in front of a house, and they push the famous bears inside the house. See, they are they are they are seeing that they are in danger, and the keeper said that I have a plan. We must rescue them. We must uh, save them. Kipper and customers went to the house. Kipper rang a bell. Some nasty bears come out to the door. Free honey, called Kipper. Free honey for every bear. So they rang the bell of the house and they want to call nasty bears out. So Kipper they start selling honey, and the Kipper said free honey for everyone. Okay, they two are here and they two are at the back. Uh, the nasty bears were greedy and they only couldn't resist the honey. The bears are very greedy and they want to eat honey. They didn't see what Teddy and Bunbury were doing. What they were doing, they are take out Teddy went to the car and took out the keys. What they took out, they took out the keys from the car. Bunbury went to the back of the house and looked through a window. He saw the famous bears were tied up. What they saw, they go to the back of the house and see that they looked through a window and he saw that some famous bear tied up. Okay, then move on to page number 26. Bunbury set a famous bear free. Then they all climbed out of the window. That bear free all the bears and they come out from the window. Come on, said Teddy. Follow me and don't make a sound. He's Teddy and he said that follow me and don't make a sound. The famous bear crept into the honey van. They ran to the honey van. The nasty bear didn't see them because they were too busy eating the honey. So they go inside that van, and the nasty bears are busy in eating the honey. Okay, so see what the keeper is doing. He spills the honey on the floor. Okay, one of the nasty bears saw that famous bear were escaping. Okay, they rescue them. They were in the van. He shouted, "Go after him!" One of them saw that they rescue the bears and they are inside the van, and he starts shouting, "Go in after them!" Casimir drove the honey van as fast as he could. The nasty bears ran after the van, but they got stuck in the honey. "Hooray!" shouted Kipper. So they the customer drove the honey as fast as he can, and the nasty bears tried to run after the van, but they stuck in the honey. They slip or they fall down on the floor. Okay, and the keeper starts shouting, "Hooray!" The famous bear were pleased with Kipper and his friend. The famous bear were very happy with Kipper and his friends to rescue them. "You are very clever," they said. "Thanks to you, God, Teddy Bear's picnic can go on." Okay, so they pleased and they thanks, they are happy, and they give thanks them to Kipper and his friends. Because of them they rescue them. Okay, because of Kipper and his friend they can save. Okay, and the picnic was going on is continue. The magic key began to glow. It was time for Kipper's adventure to end. A icon wait to tell Biff and Chip about it, he said. So you see here, the police caught that nasty bears. Okay, so suddenly what will happen? The magic key start glowing, and Kipper want to go back home, and he want to tell his brothers and brother and sister. He want to tell this about his adventure to his siblings. The magic key glowed last night, said Kipper. I had a magic adventure. When they have breakfast in the morning, so he told his siblings that the magic key was glow at last night. My magic key was glowed last night. So, and I had a magic adventure. So what his brother and sister said? We don't believe you, said Bev. No, it was a just dream, said Kipper. Well, said Chip. Okay. So his brother and sister said, no, we do not believe on you, or it was a dream. Okay. This was the story. Now we are going to do written work. Take out your literature copies. Open the second term where you make title of second term and the kidnapper's title. Okay. Open the page. Write today's date on the top. Give the heading the kidnappers. Give the heading the kidnappers. New words. What we are going to do? We are going to do new words. Okay. These are the new words. Airport, picnic, beautiful, crowd, indeed, famous, trouble, dangerous, rescue, escaping, nasty, clever, believe, dream, Switzerland. All the words should be start from the small letters, but only Switzerland you are going to write with the capital letter, because Switzerland is a proper noun. The other words are common noun. Okay, just see the board. These are the new words. Okay, copy down in the notebook, write neatly. Okay, write on the lines. For today till here. See you in the next class and we do more work. Allah Hafiz.